I'm getting me one. I'm getting this bag.
So won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby.
Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Capri. If you're not new here, thanks for being a loyal subscriber. If you're not subscribed already, go ahead and click the button down below and hit subscribe and click the bell notification next to it so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. I am on the road to 1K, so help your girl out. Help me get them 1K subscribers. So today, as you can tell from the title, I'm going to be giving you a few tips on how to secure a telly. Yes, a Telfar bag. That is like the most highly requested, highly in demand bag like ever right now. And it's not even just because Beyonce was spotted wearing one and other celebrities. It was hot before then, and it's so hard to get one. But I'm gonna be hooking y'all up with some tips, some hacks, some tricks on how to secure you one, okay? And I got a little treat for y'all at the end of the video. I have a Telfar unboxing. Yes, a new telly just came a few days ago for me, and I'm so excited because, as you can see, I already have the medium size one in cream, but I have a small telly. This is what I've been having my eye on lately, so y'all stick around for that at the end of the video. So these tips are in no particular order, but I'm gonna just go ahead and let y'all know what y'all gotta do, because you know it's not easy securing a Telfar bag. If you've ever tried, they do sell out in like 2 to 3 minutes. No joke, no lie, none of that, okay? So first things first, I would suggest that you get yourself a Telfar account. You can go online, make sure you're going to their website, because they do have websites that are fakes and duplicates and scamming and spamming and all that, but make sure you go through their Instagram page and click on the link. That's how you know you're on the right site. So once you get on their site, sign up for an account. You can get email alerts when they're dropping new colors, all that good stuff, but it's mainly useful for drop days, which you can already be signed in. All your information will be in when it's time to secure your Telfar bag. Now the next thing I do want you to do is follow their Instagram, because that's the only way you're going to know between that and their emails when they're going to be dropping new colors. So if you go to their website right now on Telfar, you're going to see that all the colors are listed, but they all say sold out. So how it works is, I would say every week or two they drop a new color, and when they drop a new color, all the size bags will be available, but they only drop one color at a time, so you have to be on it. And if you have a specific color in mind, you just got to watch out for it, because it might not come around for another few months. But make sure you're following them on Instagram, and they will let you know exactly when they drop. They do drop at, like, I want to say around 8 a.m. Central Time, 9 a.m. Eastern Time. So get your times together. If you're Eastern, Central, West Coast, all that, get your times together, be ready. Another tip, so when they do drop the bags at 8 a.m., you want to get up a little bit early. So you want to give yourself a little cushion. So I would say about 7:45, 7:50, get on your phones or your laptop and be prepared. I need you to just be refreshing that browser over and over and over, because it's no joke when it comes to a Telfar. For me, what helped me secure one of these bags, because I've tried like several times and I got nothing, you want to try to use your laptop or computer is what got me this Telfar right here. I don't know what the science or the secret is behind it. I use my phone for all the other drops. This time I said, let me go ahead and use my laptop and see if that makes a difference, which it did, because I secured a bag. I don't know what the big difference is, but that's just what worked for me. So even if you want to use your phone and your laptop, it gives you two separate ways to make sure you're securing a Telfar bag. Also, if you're using your MacBook or Apple phone or any kind of Apple device, make sure you have your credit card number already saved in, because like I said, those bags go like in 2 to 3 minutes flat. So you have to be on it. So just making sure that all your information is in, and that's the less work you have to do to make sure you secure this bag. You might want to do that. Make sure your card number's in there, your address, all of that is saved, and you're going to get you one. Promise, sis. Now, Telfar also has this thing called the bag security program. I personally have never got in on it because I don't like to wait, but it's pretty much like a pre-order system. So when they do their bag security program, which is like once or twice a year, you can go ahead and, like, I would say like between 2 days, 48 hours, they will let you order however many bags you want, whatever colors, whatever size, whatever. So if you can wait like 4 to 5 months, then it might be a good thing for you to get in on the bag security program. Me, I find it easier to just wait for the different color releases and just try my luck then. And if I don't get it, I just don't get it. It's not that big of a deal for me, but for some people it is. So if you want to secure your color and your size that you really, really want, bag security program is for you. So now, the moment we've all been waiting for, I'm going to unbox my new Telfar bag. So like I said before, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all this one first. So this is my medium cream one. If you watched my Christmas wish list video from Vlogmas last year, this was on my wish list and I got it for Christmas. So this is the medium size. A lot of people say they wish they had like a medium because it is kind of big, and then the small size is much smaller. But it does come with 2 handles here, and none of the handles are removable, so be mindful of that. It does have a magnetic snap right here. Now the medium does have a pocket on the inside, and it has the Telfar logo, and it is lined. This is a vegan leather, so it's not real leather. And this is the longer strap, so you can kind of wear it crossbody if you want to. But yeah, that's her. That's her. We're gonna get into her, this small one. So this one just released. This was the last release that they had. It was for the Oxblood. Now I didn't really care for the color like that, but I had been trying for itself for so long. I'm like, I'm getting me one. I'm getting this bag. So I got the Oxblood, and I kind of am glad that I got it because fall is coming up, so I love to wear burgundy items. So it comes in a box like this, and this is the bag here. It comes in this clear Ziploc bag, and I'm gonna go ahead and unzip that. And it says Telfar, established 2005, NYC. And the good thing about this bag, I'm not sure if y'all into that or whatever, but it is from a Black-owned designer. So this is a Black-owned business if that's what you're into. This is the dust bag. It is a really well-made dust bag, I can say. It's nothing flimsy or anything. And let's see what she looking like. Yes, Oxblood. Okay. So the straps do come attached like that, so you don't have to worry about anything being wrong. Oh, it's Velcro. My last one, I don't think it was Velcro like that, but this is Velcro, and it's holding the straps together. And this is the small, and this is, I guess, for size comparison, my hand next to it. And this is her. I'm loving it. It also does have a Telfar logo on the inside, but it does not have any pockets. It does have the magnetic closure, so you can just snap that and keep that together like so. This is much prettier than what I expected. It also comes with a tag with the barcode on it. You can leave it on if you want, but I'm not one of them girls. I like to take this off. Just find that a little tacky. So yeah, the only thing I could say would really fit in this is maybe a phone, some lip gloss, and a mirror, and some sanitizer, and a mask, and that's about it. But she is really cute. Oh my god, I love it. Because right before this one, the red one came out, and I really kind of wanted the red because, you know, ooh, Delta. But we also rock crimson, so, you know, it's interchangeable. I could do either or. And this is what she's looking like as a crossbody. So as a crossbody, it will come right here on your hip and lay there. So it's nice. It's a nice, comfortable length for me. It's not too long. It's really cute. It's gonna be cute for some photo ops. So hopefully the tips and the tricks that I've mentioned in this video will help you secure your new telly, your new Telfar, okay? I'm just trying to help you out, sis, because you know you go in the comments and people like, oh my god, I miss my beat, these little capture things is not working, it's slowing me down. But hang in there, sis, you're gonna get you one, I promise. So till next time, see you glam dolls later.